Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Come see the car for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.